Today I am going to discuss connection diagram of substation. Okay, how to connect different type of apparatus or how to the power line incoming of a substation and how to outgoing from a substation and outgoing from different feeders. Okay, or different type of load. Total we see the total arrangement of this diagram. Okay, so basically different type of substation we also see that, also discuss. I am drawing a 11 by 415 kV 0.415, that's mean 11 kV is inputted and output secondary is 415 volt. Okay, so basically this arrangement is happen in a 11 by 415 substation. Okay, so first of all we see that the 11 kV line is incoming, okay, of a substation. Suppose this is the, we also see that the substation area, this is the 11 kV line is inputted by another substation, suppose step up substation, okay, or step down substation 11 kV, that's mean 33 by 11 kV substation. This 11 kV is coming from 33 kV substation. Okay, so 11 kV is inputted in this substation. In this substation 11 kV line is inputted. First of all, this 11 kV line is connected with isolator. Isolator means it is a switch. Okay, it's a switch. Okay, first of all connected this 11 kV line into isolator. Okay, then connect a lighting arrestor. Okay, before the incoming of this substation equipment, it is connected with the lighting arrestor. This is the symbol of lighting arrestor in the next video. Okay, in the next lecture we also see the different type of apparatus of a substation and their symbol. Okay, so this is the lighting arrestor. Suppose why we also use the lighting arrestor is here, also have a reason for the connection of lighting arrestor in this here. We can also connect the lighting arrestor here and here, different type of parts. But why we also use the lighting arrestor before the after the isolator? Okay, so the reason is that a line is incoming by transmission line, okay, or transmission pole. So if a transmission pole or in this line the lighting is happen, okay, or surge is happen, then this current will be the follow through this conductor, and this substation also damage in this substation also very important parts are damaged. So the lighting arrestor is present in the incoming of this line, so no faulty line are incoming to the this part. Okay, so lighting arrestor is connected here. Then 11 kV output cable box. 11 kV output cable box means this line is going to substation by underground cable. Okay, suppose this is the pole, here the pole is connected. Okay, 11 kV pole is connected. Then through this pole by the cable this line is grounded. Okay, undergrounded. Then going to the out inside of the substation. Okay, this line draw all are, this is the all are single line diagram. Okay, I just draw a single line diagram. This is the 11 kV underground cable. Okay, this 11 kV underground is coming inside the substation areas. Okay, so next the city is connected. We also see that in a substation this area is divided in the different category. Somewhere also we use the metering instrument, somewhere also the battery charges, and different type of, here the transformer, different type of cable joining and feeder. Okay, so suppose this portion is connected for metering instrument. Okay, the metering CT are used for this line. CT means current transformer, that's mean we measure the current of this line, okay, by CT, current transformer. That's mean suppose this is the 11 kV suppose 100 ampere. Okay, if the 100 ampere, the CT is step down this current into 10 ampere, so we can also read this value in 10 ampere current transformer 10 ampere ammeter. Okay, 10 ampere ammeter we can also read the 100 ampere current. Just I take an example, but the current is very high here, and we also use the CT for measure the current. Okay, and also we use the potential transformer. Also use the potential transformer, and the potential transformer rating is 11 by 0.11 kV. That's mean 11 kV is if inputted line, then the PT show that you 110 volt. Okay, 110 volt. So this is the 11 kV equipment panel, also connected through connected with the incoming line. Okay, incoming line. Next we use when the CT and PT is connected, then we use the 11 kV OCB 3 core HT cable. Okay, OCB means 11 kV well circuit breaker. Here also the use circuit breaker, sorry, this portion here the only isolator incoming side. Then we also use the well circuit breaker above the transformer, well 3 core HT cable. Then from the well circuit breaker 3 core HT cable is connected, and this connection cable is fed to the transformer. Okay, this is the 500 kVA 11 by 400 volt step down transformer. That means 11 kV is inputted line and 405 is outputted line. Okay, and output is star connected to star connection, because this is the 405. That means the distribution line, so neutral is needed. Okay, so this is the star connection and this is the delta connection. Okay, so we also see that the 11 kV line is inputted of the substation, not really directly connected with the transformer. First of all, isolator used, then lighting arrestor, then cable join box, and then through this cable it is incoming to the OCB. After the OCB connection, also the connected with the CT and PT, then 11 kV well circuit breaker, then connection to 500 kV transformer. Okay, so after the transformer, this line is connected with the capacitor bank. Why we also use the capacitor bank? To improve the power factor of this load. Okay, because if the power factor is decrease of this is the load. Okay, this is the load. We also discuss in details in the load. Okay, so capacitor bank also be connected with the series. Okay, this is the star connected capacitor or delta connected. Okay, this is the delta connected. Also you can use the star connected capacitor, but it is connected with the series of this outside of the star connected line. Okay, next connected 750 ampere low tension circuit breaker. Also here the circuit breaker is connected. Why also use this 705 ampere low tension circuit breaker is here? We also use the circuit breaker here. And why I also use the here? Because protect the transformer. Suppose this is the supply line of the load or feeder. Okay, bus bar. Okay, suppose this is the distribution line. Okay, if in distribution line, suppose this is the distribution line. Okay, this is if lightning is happen in distribution line. Okay, suppose this line. Okay, this line, anywhere of this line, so this current is going to the transformer. Okay, if the circuit breaker is not present here, then it is directly bypass through transformer, so transformer is damages. Okay, for this reason also the output side of this transformer circuit breaker is present. Okay, and here also use the circuit breaker. That's mean the inside of this substation is lighting is happen inside. That's mean this portion is inside of this substation. Here also the transmission line is coming. That means here. Okay, from this portion to this one, if any lightning is happening, this circuit breaker also protect the high current. Okay, protect the high current. Okay, and transformer is a safe zone. Okay, so this is the circuit breaker. Then this is feeding a low tension bus bar. Okay, a low tension bus bar. From this low tension bus bar, okay, different type of low tension switch are uses. Okay, suppose this this 5 is this 5 is 5 type of load or 5 type of feeder is feeding different type of areas load. Okay, so this is the 200 ampere 600 volt. Okay, and this is the 63 ampere, this is the 400 ampere, this is the 200 ampere, this is the 100 ampere. Different type of load, different type of switches uses, and this is going to the load side. Okay, this is the arrangement of a substation. Okay, this is the complete arrangement of a substation. If anybody have any problem, then text me. Thank you.